These brownies are so delicious. They are really chocolatey and fudgy, and I promise you, you won't be disappointed. I have got 150 grams of dark chocolate here. I'm just going to add that to a pan. And then along with this, I just want to add 150 grams of butter. So all I need to do really is just let the butter and chocolate melt together. It'll just take a couple of moments. So whilst I'm waiting for the butter and chocolate to melt together, I'll get on with the rest. So I need 3 eggs. Just going to crack these into a bowl. Get rid of those. Give our chocolate a little stir. Okay, so I need to add some caster sugar to the eggs, and I also want to help with the fudginess. I also want some dark brown sugar. I almost smell the treacly fudginess already. And so because my brownies don't have any raising agent, which I think is best for a brownie because I want that fudgy, slight heaviness, but by whisking eggs up quite a bit, it will add a little air and so as you can see, that has thickened up, become paler in colour, and now all I need to do is just stir my chocolate about to combine it. And then to this, I am just going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then I am just going to whisk this into the eggs. Perfect. So we'll just get this out of the way. Now for the rest of my ingredients, I just need 100 grams of plain flour, and I have 50 grams of good cocoa here. Now you can, of course, if you want, sieve these ingredients, but I loathe sieving. I will do anything other than that. Now I want half a teaspoon of fine sea salt, and I also want 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. Now if you only have coffee granules, just dissolve it in the tiniest little bit of water before adding it. Just need to fold these ingredients into the mixture. This looks and smells so good, I could eat it really just as it is. Okay, that's combined, so all I have left to do is add 100 grams of dark chocolate chips. I love the sound they make. I know you're going to eat well when you hear that. And I also have 75 grams of walnut pieces here that I've broke up. Now, of course, you can add anything you want here. You could add white chocolate chips so that we flecked with those. You could add hazelnuts, flaked almonds, anything you want. I just like walnuts here, and I do like the crunch that you get there, but if you don't like nuts, don't add them. You could also add any sort of dried fruit really you wanted, cherries, cranberries, whatever you like. More clattering. I have a 9x9 baking tray here that I've just lined with some parchment paper, and I'm just going to pour this in. Okay, so these are ready for the oven now. They'll just take 25 to 30 minutes in a 180-degree oven. Do check them after 25 minutes. And remember, unlike most cakes, if you're using a skewer to test them, it will come out wet. That is desirable. That is how you want it to come out. There's nothing worse than an overbaked brownie. My brownies have now had their time in the oven, and they are slightly cracked on top, but I can still feel they're very tender within. So all I have to do really is let these cool for a little while before cutting them into nice chunks. So the brownies are cooled now, so just going to lift them out and cut them up. You see how fudgy they are still within. If you like this recipe, why not subscribe below and turn on the bell notification to keep up to date with all my recipes.